How to play Rainbow Six Siege on Linux. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to play Rainbow Six Siege on a Linux computer using Steam and Proton in a quick and simple way. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Steam and sign in. Launch Steam and log into your account. Make sure it's fully updated. Step 2. Turn on Proton compatibility. Click on Steam in the top left. Go to Settings, then Steam Play. Check the boxes for Enable Steam Play for supported titles. Enable Steam Play for all other titles. Then select Proton Experimental or the latest version from the drop-down. Step 3. Install Rainbow Six Siege. Search for Rainbow Six Siege in the Steam store. Click Install and wait for the game to download. Steam will automatically use Proton to launch the game on your system. Step 4. Use Proton GE for better results. For smoother gameplay, download Proton GE and place it into Steam compatibility folder. Then go to the game's properties, compatibility, and select Proton GE as the version. Step 5. Note on anti-cheat. The game uses Battle AI, which might limit some online modes, but most versions of Proton now support it. Just make sure everything is up to date. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Linux using Steam and Proton. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.